Dante Williams.
Pamela Jeffries. Long time.
Too long.
Dietrich Pam. Pam Dietrich. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
I'm going to the bar.
Why haven't you returned any of my calls?
How's Derek?
I don't know. Derek ain't worried about me, and I ain't worried about him.
What happened? He done kicked you to the curb?
Boy, please. Ain't nobody kicked me nowhere. I dumped him.
Right.
He's a ball player, and you know what that means. He has more women
Then you do men.
Anyways, I did not come over here to talk about him. I came over here to talk about us because I miss you.
There's no us.
Tell me you remember all the fun we used to have. I remember there were times when we used to stay in bed all day and night. Those were fun days.
Just too bad Derek had those same days and nights with you while you were with me.